Alright, hey guys, here we have a Galaxy box fan in a bluish gray finish. I'm really not sure which finish to call it. It's not really blue and it's not really gray, so it's kind of in the middle. What's the model of these? Is it 3713? I had one of these a while ago. I think that was the model of it. Anyways, yeah, I've always thought these were kind of cool. Not my favorite model, but I've always liked them. Yeah, something really cool. It actually has the handle. I guess these are known to not have handles. So far, I'm doing pretty good. Also has the feet too. Front grill is worse than the back grill. I guess I could swap those if I wanted to. But 2 tabs isn't too bad. It does have a little bit of surface rust in a few areas. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on low. Move it out a little bit. Put it up right against the door, you're not going to get any air. Good breeze on low. Nice and quiet too. That's one thing that I do like about these. Some of the newer box fans can tend to be a little loud on all speeds, or they'll be quiet and won't move any air. And let's go to high. Yeah, that's some air for you. Nothing crazy, but that's pretty good for a plastic bladed box fan. From what I remember, this one needed to be oiled. It hasn't been done yet, but it could use it. And let's do spin down. Yeah, that's a pretty quick spin down. Alright, well anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.